meals.
Kweth mar Azimio la Umoja pod dhi nyime gi piny owacho penjo buora ewi kaka jatend jolweny Mathurka Francis Ogolla ne oyudore e gwenge ma Sandare Elgeyo Marakwet kama ne masira mar ndeke kalapapla ojuke. Jotelo bende ne osiemo wang' piny owacho mondo ne ni nonro ma ibiro tim opedhi e lela. Jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga ni kod ler mathoth.
Ndalo achiel kende tok masira ma koch mar kor lwasi mako jatend jolweny Mathurka Jamadar Francis Ogolla gi apisas mamoko 9 mag jolweny, penjo mathoth podi omako chuny jopiny kaachiel kod jotelo. Kweth mar Azimio la Umoja tich abich ne okoko mar rakruok kod piny owacho ewi kaka masira no juko Jamadar Ogolla.
The questions Kenyans are asking in conclusion is whether it is routine for the Chief of Defence Forces to go and inspect construction of classrooms. Was this a plan within the military or was it a directive? There are many questions which beg answers. Even the visual images of that accident, I don't want to say anything more that may prejudice investigations. They leave us with anxiety, and answers are needed as soon as possible.
Sisi tumeuliza kama wanaazimio ya kwamba tuwe na a public inquiry kwa mambo haya. Vile vile kuna vitengo vinavyohusika kwa uchunguzi, lazima wafanye uchunguzi huo. Lakini huyu kuwa ofisa wa juu zaidi katika majeshi yetu, no effort or resource should be spared. Tangu tupate uhuru, hatujawahi kuwa na mkuu wa majeshi amefariki akiwa kazini. Huyu ndio wa kwanza. Na kufariki kwa hali ambayo Generali Ogolla alifariki.
Azimio mane ochiwo twak margi bang' chopo e paro Ogolla mabore ka na wacho ni adieri nyaka nyenye lela tok nonro ewi masirano.
Yesterday's unfortunate accident needs expeditious investigations and this will not only help ease the already tense and anxious feelings of Kenyans, but it will put an end to any speculation. The investigations must be open and reports made to the public.
Tunatarajia huu uchunguzi ufanywe. Na hatutaki tuambiwe ya kwamba vile imekuwa inasemekana no stone will be left unturned. Ajali nyingi zimefanyika. Kuna ndege imeanguka kule Kajiado ya kijeshi, kule Lamu, ukienda upande wa Garissa, ukienda upande wa Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet, ndege zimeanguka, ajali karibu 5 zinafuatana. Lakini uchunguzi kufanywa na ripoti kuwekwa wazi.
Liet mar tho mar Jamadar Ogolla no bende nyuolo penjo ewi arita makare mag ndeke ma itiyo godo gi apisas madito mag piny owacho. Ka jolony mana kaka josiasa Mathurka kwayo mondo piny owacho olok tanga mar geng'o midhiero makamago.
Tuko na ile National Air Support Department. Lazima ndege hizi zote zikaguliwe kwa sasa. Tujue ile wazungu wanasema the serviceability ya hizi ndege, airworthiness of all our air assets. Lazima sasa uchunguzi huu ufanywe. Sababu ndege nyingi utapata ya kwamba zimekuwa kwa miaka mingi. Kuna ndege zilinunuliwa na hayati Mzee Moi, bado zinatumika. Kuna ndege zimenunuliwa zikiwa second hand. Na hii inaweza kuwa hatujui vile zilikuwa zimetumika kule nje. Inaweza sababisha haya yote tunataka yachunguzwe.
Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.